it's Kimmy the Gadget Goddess, and today I have some more Oppo Find N cases for you. I bought all three of these from the same seller. I know there's only two on the table, but I have been using one, but it's identical to this one here. So I didn't feel a need to unbox the same case twice just because it's a different color. Truly, I bought three cases from the same seller. I will link these cases in the description. Being I've been using one of these cases already, I can already tell you it works with wireless charging and all that good stuff, and that is a pretty good case. So let's get started, people. First up, I have a leopard print in pink. Now on the site, when I bought this one, it was a leopard print in black and pink, but that came out black and blue, which is fine with me because it's like a Carolina blue. It's really light, and it could also pass off as white until you put it on the phone. You can see that it's clearly blue. I was glad it came in the wrong color, but if you order on the site, you could potentially get this color instead of the black and pink that they have listed on the site. Just an FYI there. There is no branding, just in a plastic bag. So, still giving you the true unboxing experience. Plastic bag, styrofoam between the case and the front. Installation is a breeze. You just snap it on. So that's how it's going to look on a white phone. I found that this front and the front that was included in a second clear case that I bought are my favorite fronts for these kind of phones because they come a little bit further over here, but they give you the room you need over here not to mess with screen protectors. I installed one of those clear protectors on the previous case video that I did where they included one for free. This is a glossy. I have another matte that I can do, but inside is still matte, but outside is glossy now. Like most cases, there's two pieces to this one. It's a front and a back. We have cutouts for our microphone, speaker, and charging port. We have two buttons for our volume rockers, and we have a cutout for our power on and off switch / fingerprint scanner. And up top, we have a cutout for our mic up there. You get a slight lip for your camera, which is going to be better than it appears because I have a camera protector installed on the phone. You don't get to see all your branding if that's something that's important to you. I can say that I've used this case for about a week and it's not starting to peel or wear off. The printing on the back of this case is awesome. I've had no problems with charging with a regular charger or a wireless charger. Links will be in the description as always, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down there below. Volume works well on this case. It does not obstruct your speakers at all. I could have told you that, but I like to let you hear it. So this is just a leopard print hard clear case for the Oppo Find N. Again, it also comes in a black and Carolina blue color. And on to the next case. Next up, we have a bear case with a bracelet kind of deal. That's going to help you keep up with the phone. More useful, like if you're at an amusement park or something where you're going to need to just have the phone on you and ready to take pictures and not necessarily down into a purse or into a pocket or anything. I thought it was cute and would go well with this phone because the phone is white and the pattern is black. If you have the black phone, you probably don't want to grab this design. I didn't see it in the other colors. This is the same seller from the previous case I just showed you in this video. I'm thinking these are printed just like the others and will be able to be used daily and not worry about the design coming off because I've been using the other case for about a week now. This is the same snap-on design, so we'll just snap this on here. We will have to put the bracelet part on here. It snaps in there. So we have the case installed. Everything looks good. Let's get this bracelet part on the back. It's not as hard as I thought it would be. This is just a clip right here. You're just gonna clip this to the hole back here in the back, which is securely in the phone. Let me show you how that looks on the inside. From the inside, there's a padding cover to keep it from scratching your phone, which is a nice touch. And it goes all the way through. Unless this piece breaks, it's not coming off your phone. And to me, you might want to take an even more secure approach and link it through the actual hole. You know, take that piece out and put it through the hole. That's the route I'm going to take. Let me take this up. Now my dog's finished making noise, barking at the neighbors trying to walk. this piece out. See, it's a little piece like that, and it's very flimsy and little. This is something I would have more confidence in. It's thick. Just gonna slide this through here. So maybe that's why they did that. It doesn't want to go around the curve, but I do feel like that's more secure than having a little piece. So maybe I'll just have it at an angle and it won't bother me. It might bother y'all, I don't know. Okay, that works. So out to the side angle, it does move, although my hook won't move. I'll just have it so it goes at an angle, and I carry the phone and it's at an angle. So I'm gonna leave mine like this. You can use the piece that's in there, and then we're gonna stick this back on the phone. So there's your look. It's a nice black and white. It's not necessarily a panda bear, but it's more like a polar bear look, right? It might look like a kindergartner drew it, but you know, it's fine. Let's explore the phone. Cutouts for our speakers and our charging port and our microphone at the bottom. Cut out up top for our microphone there. Links will be in the description as always. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down there below. Speakers are fine on this one. Armband's not going to be huge, so if you have larger wrists, I could grab it. Again, this is made overseas. Take that how you want it. I thought it was a cute case and I picked it up. Volume up and down rocker, the cutout for your fingerprint scanner / power button. A very, very small lip for the camera, but again, I have a camera protector, so you'll have a little more lip than I will. I'd like to thank y'all for coming by and checking out my video on these fun cases for the Oppo Find N. If you like these videos, feel free to click the like button. If you're not subscribed to this channel and have enjoyed multiple videos on this channel, you might want to subscribe. Subscriptions are free and memberships come at a cost. I'd like to thank you for your time, because time is money, and I hope to catch you on my next tech video. Holla!